Welcome back to Inside Elegance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips. Today's video is all about transforming your home into a Halloween haven with a witchy garland, magical entryway decor, and spooky kitchen wreaths. Whether you're a Halloween aficionado or just looking to add a touch of seasonal charm, we've got creative ideas to make your space enchantingly festive. Grab your crafting supplies and let's dive into the spellbinding details of our Halloween home makeover. First up, we're creating a witchy garland that will add a touch of magic to any room. Start with a simple string of fairy lights as your base. Next, gather materials like black felt, faux spider webs, miniature broomsticks, and plastic cauldrons. Cut out whimsical shapes from the felt to make tiny witches' hats, potions, and broomsticks. Attach these shapes to the string lights using hot glue. For an extra touch of enchantment, drape the garland across a mantel or a shelf where it will catch the light and cast eerie shadows. This garland not only looks stunning but also brings a playful, mystical vibe to your Halloween decor. Your entryway is the first impression guests get of your home, so let's make it spooktacular. Start by decorating your front door with a Halloween-themed wreath. Choose a wreath made of grapevine and add elements like faux black roses, mini skulls, and silver spider accents. Add a dramatic touch by incorporating LED lights or a spooky message in a stylish font. Next, enhance the entryway with a mix of pumpkins, eerie candle lanterns, and perhaps a doormat that welcomes visitors with a playful Halloween message. These elements set a festive tone and create a warm, inviting, and slightly eerie atmosphere right from the moment your guests arrive. Next, let's turn our attention to the kitchen, where we'll craft some spooky wreaths that will delight and intrigue. Start with a base wreath of burlap or grapevine. Adorn it with Halloween-themed accents such as mini cauldrons, plastic eyeballs, and faux cobwebs. For a touch of color, add orange and purple ribbon to the mix. Hang these wreaths on your kitchen cabinets or the pantry door for a fun and festive twist. If you're feeling extra crafty, consider making smaller wreaths to adorn various areas like the refrigerator or even your oven handle. These wreaths not only bring a festive spirit but also turn your kitchen into a bewitching space for all your Halloween cooking and baking. No Halloween decor is complete without a bewitching tablescape. Start by choosing a dark, moody tablecloth as your base. Layer it with a runner in a contrasting color, like deep purple or blood red. Set the scene with black or orange dinner plates and add a touch of magic with gold or silver cutlery. Don't forget to incorporate Halloween-themed centerpieces. Think of a cauldron filled with faux potion or a stack of antique books topped with a small skull. Place candles in eerie candle holders to complete the look. This setup not only enhances your dining area but also creates a memorable Halloween dining experience for you and your guests. Your fireplace mantel is a prime spot for Halloween decor, and there are so many creative ways to dress it up. Start with a backdrop of black or orange fabric or a Halloween-themed garland. Add a mix of decorative elements like mini skulls, vintage-style apothecary jars filled with faux spiders or potions, and a few spooky candle holders. Incorporate some spooky prints or framed Halloween artwork above the mantel for a finishing touch. Don't forget to scatter some faux cobwebs for an extra layer of spookiness. This mantel display will serve as a central Halloween feature in your living room, creating an inviting yet eerie atmosphere. For those who love a personal touch in their decor, consider crafting some spooky accents to fill in the gaps. Create custom Halloween candle holders by decorating plain holders with creepy crawlies or spooky patterns. Make your own Halloween-themed throw pillows with fabric paint or iron-on transfers. And don't overlook the power of DIY signs. Create ones that say, "Trick or treat" or "Welcome to the haunted house," and place them around your home. These personalized touches not only enhance your Halloween theme but also make your decor uniquely yours, adding an extra layer of charm to your seasonal setup. That wraps up our Halloween home makeover. We hope these ideas have inspired you to add a touch of magic and spookiness to your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're decorating for Halloween this year. Remember to subscribe to Inside Elegance for more home decor ideas and seasonal inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with even more creative ways to make your home shine.